Like he's really getting something, you know?
Like
just what's left on his finger.
Oh, Sutton, you're so funny.
You can believe whatever you want. But it's what's on your fingers already.
If you're videotaping this, I totally want to use this for my first commercial. Can't get enough.
Oh,
Are you all done?
maybe I ought to try some now.
He's like, lady?
He said, I couldn't get any more. Where is it coming from for you? Oh, you're a little stinker, aren't you? Keeps.
There's some there on the back of your hand. You need to discover that.
He's trying to get there. He just can't figure it out. How to get his hand turned around
Yeah.
and up to his mouth. Yeah, he saw it and then he goes to the
But he
front.
can't figure out how to get it to his mouth turned around.
Both hands. Oh!
More.